Where am I? My God, what happened here? This structure feels familiar. A broken boombox? I remember this. Huh? What? Wait, this is the workshop contraption, although different. Huh? What is that? What version is this? Please don't hurt me. Goodbye, I guess. That was weird.
Scanning.
Whoa, what the hell is that? I just woke up. What's even happening? What am I supposed to do? Stand still? I mean, if this thing is gonna kill me, do it now. I can't even defend myself.
Allocator not detected. Have a nice day.
Though I was gonna die right there.
Hey, asshole.
Huh?
Are you with the duplicators?
What indeed? What now? Duplicators?
Don't play with me, I know you are with those damn duplicators. Fuck.
Who are? Who are you? Nothing. I was about to get killed by this guy.
What the dog doing?
Oh, that's a cool workshop contraption I found. But it looks a little bit different. Wait a minute. What do you mean it looks old? Hold up a damn minute. I just found that like 2 minutes ago. What the hell is even happening?
What the dog doing?
But I swear, this contraption was made today. Wait, I'm starting to remember something. That's why we won't be bored anymore. I mean, look at this cool contraption I got from the workshop. I remember I was recording a video with someone. I remember that some wiry looking thing knocked me out. Well, thanks for letting me know.
Allocator detected.
What is it?
Research mode activated.
Oh, it's that android again? you piece of shit. Oh ho ho ho, that was something, wasn't it? My name's Carol. It was nice meeting you. Bye, Trixium. Huh?